Hi everyone, welcome back. Welcome back to another episode of Coffee with Coletta. We're just going to keep this one simple, sweet, and short. Why? Because it's your caffeine dose of life insurance. So it's a caffeine dose. It's not going to be long at all. You know this, right? So today, let's just say we're going to talk about living benefits, all right? I talk about this in another video of mine. I may attach it to this video so that you can take a look at that too. So please go ahead and check that out. But I'm going to go over it again today. But you need to go ahead and grab your coffee, hot chocolate, tea, or whatever it may be. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Pushy tactics, no, just trying to force you to go into different types of insurance investments. We don't do that here. Now, they do have its place. They do. A lot of the life insurance investments, they do have those. I'm aware of those. But on this channel, if you're not familiar with it, what we do is we only talk about just the simple things of life insurance, like whole life, term, final expense, right? We're going to talk about those things. So, because a lot of people, before you start going into investing in other things, you might want to understand the basics, right? So some people do. Now, if that is you and you understand it, you get it, please go ahead and just maybe share this video with somebody that you know, or just, click the X, you can X it out. But, so today we're going to talk about living benefits. So if you don't know, life insurance is not just about when you or a loved one pass away. You can use it for living benefits, and that's what people don't get. So what are the living benefits, right? So you're probably asking me, what are they? Well, let's say if you get, there's a critical, chronic, or terminal illness that happens to you. That's what it covers. So what is that, right? So that's when, say, for example, if you fall and, so you're older and you fall, or whatever the case may be, and something happens to you, or in any situation. Actually, let me just do this for you. If you get really, really hurt, right? You don't die, but you're still alive. But even though you're still alive, let's say you can't do for yourself, you can't bathe yourself, you can't feed yourself, if you have a stroke, if you have a heart attack, if you, are diagnosed with cancer, or even worse, if the doctor tells you, hey, you only have 6 months to live, or you only have a year to live. These are things that are being covered in the living benefits. Now, again, this is if you have the right type of insurance. This is not all types of insurance. This is typically more of a permanent policy is where you're finding these at. So you want to talk to, your life insurance broker or agent. They can go over that with you. So those are just some of the living benefits, but those are the ones I want to talk about today. So think about that. When you think about life insurance, don't just think about it's for a burial or when someone passes away. It's for if you have an issue like that. If you need to go to a senior citizen home and you need assistance, right? It can help you with that. It can help you with those things. So they have all those benefits in there. So think about that the next time. Again, guys, that's pretty much it. If you fall and, if you're really hurt, you're alive, you have a stroke, you have cancer, the doctor only gives you time to live, and, you can't do for yourself. You can't eat, you can't feed yourself, you can't cook, you can't clothe yourself, you can't give yourself a bath. Those are the things that will also be covered. So you want to make sure of that, because you don't want to be left stuck in a situation like that, with not having life insurance. So we'll talk about some other things. Like I said, if you really want a more in-depth video about living benefits, I'm going to try to attach that video to this one as well so that you guys can check that out. But then, this is Coffee with Coletta. This is an episode of Coffee with Coletta. And if you want to go ahead and take advantage of that, please go ahead and click the link in the description box, which is plansovercoffee.com. Again, that's plansovercoffee.com. Yeah, you see me. Plansovercoffee.com. Don't do it. If you know that this is happening. Now, let me tell you, keep in mind, the older you get, the more it's going to, more than likely cost you, because the longer you wait, the higher the rate. That's what I say on all my videos. I say it to everybody. I say it to my clients. The longer you wait, the higher the rate. Okay. So This is your spot here on the episodes of Coffee with Coletta, where you can get your caffeine dose of life insurance. You know all about just life insurance. Nothing extra super to invest, nothing trying to get you to move things from one thing to the other again. They have their places, but we are talking about just the ordinary life insurances here on this channel. And you don't have to worry about not understanding. We make sure that you understand what the plan is that you have. You understand what it is that I'm talking about. We are not going over your head with anything, and we make sure that you're aware. So until then, go ahead, click the link in the bio, in the description box, wherever you're seeing this video. But the link is plansovercoffee.com. That's the website, plansovercoffee.com. So I'm leaning in to tell you, this is for you. If you know you're walking around without life insurance, you have insurance and coverage on your phone, your TVs, your cars, okay, other things in your house, but you don't have life insurance, you probably want to look into it. So, or if you know someone that needs it, go ahead and send them the link, plansovercoffee.com, and we will be happy to help you. Until then, talk to you guys later, and make sure you grab your coffee, hot chocolate, or tea, whatever it may be, and go ahead and get you a plan that you can call your own. All right, talk to you guys later. Bye.